Okay, this is a review of the Lightning EPX Pro. I'm about to take it right now for a spin. Alright, make sure you can see the car. Can you see?
Uh-huh.
Make sure you keep following the car. You see it still?
Yep.
You see? You can just stay right there. Just stay right there. Don't move. You see?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. Take her out for a spin. Get it? For a spin around the circle with a donut.
Come get a little bit closer so you can see it go up. Alright.
Going up the hill. It's flying. One thought go as fast as you can now. So I got the whole thing. This thing's flying.
Now let's check and see if everything is still in good order. Well, like I said, those batteries are pretty terrible. Almost looks like it's gonna break. This one is almost falling off.
Look around here.
Almost still good. The shocks are pretty good. Okay.
We're good?
One more.
Do it one more time. Stop asking me to go off.
And the control ain't that bad. The signal is good. Even though
Sometimes it stops when
it's
kind of
like too far off range.
Let's make this thing fly.
Not that bad. And it's pretty good at drifting. You put a drift tire in this, you'll be good.
Let's take it for a donut.
Yeah, this thing definitely pretty much do 65 miles per hour.
And it just landed in our neighbor's yard, so we hope the lady doesn't come back at us like the other day when we were playing with the soccer ball. Let's take some previews real quick. Look at it with the battery run out. That wasn't directly a preview. Hey, that's the best spin you ever saw or not?
Oh, let me get Battery came out.
Shut on that. Battery might be loose sometimes, people. So don't always trust these cars.
Alright, you can start by reading him.